So for slide 3, looking at vocabulary, some of this are things that I could give you some advice on. Some of them you're going to have to know your topic on your own. So on slide 2, you chose exactly what you were going to focus on, and that goes in here with the toy vocabulary. With the toy vocabulary, you need to give specific words. So let's say if you're doing monster trucks, then your toy vocabulary words would be in reference to like the battery life and different things like that. But if you were talking about a doll, then maybe it's specific words about other types of dolls that it could interact with or the type of playhouses. So that toy vocabulary here, this is totally you. It depends on what you've chosen as your toy that you're going to create based on what's currently in the market. So in terms of sales vocabulary, how about market? Market is the group of people that will be interested in your toy. And product, that is what will be sold. Shelf space, that is where the toy will be in the store. Let's see, what are other words that you might want to use? You might want to talk about things like nationwide. You want it to be sold through the whole country, or maybe you might want to start on the East Coast or the West Coast, and that would just be limiting where it will be sold. Nationwide is one word. There we go. Okay. Oop. But then I took out the W. Okay, let's see. What else would be useful in terms of sales? You might want to talk about profits. How much money can be made. You might want to have a sales goal, just like Greg did when he was making Chunky Comics. He had a sales goal. He knew how much he wanted to sell. So you could have a sales goal. You could also have them, so this is how much money to be made. You could also use words like order. That would be what they will purchase from you. Might want to use manufacture. That would be the process of making the toy. So, and why would you want to use a word like manufacture? You would use that in terms of maybe saying, oh, and they will be manufactured, they will be made in the United States. So that might be some vocabulary that you would like to use. So here are some vocabulary that will take our presentation to our target vice president and make it more business-like, because you're 5th grade students. You probably haven't made business deals with Target before. So these are some vocabulary words that can help you. This right here, though, you need to know your toy. You need to know the words that would go along with your toy.